So here's a question. Did someone start cloning human beings and forget to tell us? Do we all have a sign over our heads that says, "I'm like everyone else, so feel free to treat me like I am"? Not true? Well, then why are so many companies building boats like it is? There's too much of this, too much of that, way too much of this. Is the notion of custom made being buried under an unstoppable wave of conformity? Well, not if we have something to say about it. Since we started, we've built boats the way they should be built, not the way they could be built. You see, to us, it's not about making a boat that raises profit margins. It's about making the kind that drops jaws. It's not just choosing a model, it's building the one residing in your imagination. It's not about following what others are doing, it's leading the way. With stuff like this. And this. Yep, this too. And, oh yeah, there's that. So until someone on this big blue planet of ours can prove to us that we are all the same, we'll hold true to our belief that we aren't, and keep building boats that honor every last quirk and idiosyncrasy inside each of us. And that's why we build boats that are one of a kind, and why we do it. One at a time.